Hello guys and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video I'm going to create this dashboard about different data science jobs salaries. As you can see in the dataset we have more than 16,000 records recorded in employees from different countries. So we have 88 countries in total with 4 different employment types and 155 unique job titles. We're going to create charts for average salary by experience level, job title, country, and also company size. We create a histogram for salary distribution, and also we create line column chart, people working from home, people working at the office, and hybrid jobs. You can download directly dataset on Kaggle. This link is available in description, and as you can see this dataset is 2024 dataset which contains data developer salaries, and we have multiple columns. So we have employment type, so type of job, contract, full-time, part-time, or contract. We have the job title, which is a specific role or title of the employee. We have the salary, salary currency, and salary in US dollars. So in our dashboard we are going to use mainly the salary in US dollars. We have employee residence. We're going to use it in order to create the average salary by country, the remote ratio, the company location, and also we have the company size, so the scale of the company often based on employee count. So we have small, medium, and large companies. So as usual, before creating our KPIs we have some measures that we need to create. So we have average salary in US dollars. The data set, I name it data, right? So once you imported your CSV file you can name it data, right? And you can start creating the different measures. The first one is average salary in US dollars, which is equals to average data, which is the name of the data set, and salary in USD, which is the column name. Then we have employment type, so we use distinct count function for the employment type column. So we write equals to distinct count data, and we have employment type. Same thing for number of countries, same function, and we have the data set and the column name. Now for remote jobs percentage we use divide function. So basically we filter, so we use count rows, filter, we have the name of the data set, and we have the column remote ratio greater than 0, right? And we divide by the total rows, which is count rows of data, then we multiply by 100 to get percentage. We have also total records using the count rows function. So we write total records equals to count rows of the dataset, which is data. And the last measure we have unique job titles. So unique job titles, same thing, we use distinct count function, the dataset, and the column name. Now to create a histogram we will need pins, right? In order to create the pins, right click on salary in US dollar, new group, and here you name it, so it will be salary in USD pins. Here you can write the bin size. So for the one I created, if I right click, edit, you can see that the bin size is $30,000 and the name is salary in USD bins. So this is for the different measures that I'm going to use in order to create our dashboard. Now for me I will just click new page. So if you want to go to home, get data, it will be text CSV, and you can find all different columns in here. So the first thing to do is to create the KPIs. We click on card, so I have a new card, and the first one will be average salary in USD. So the values we put them at 30 and the label at 10, both in black. Now we need to add the border, so effects, border on, and 10 rounded corners. Then we just need to put it on the top like that. Alright, now copy paste this one 5 times. So we have one more. can select all of them, press Control key and select all of them. Format, align, distribute horizontally. Okay, so the second one, it will be employment type. So we have a total of 4. Then we have total countries. Then we have remote ratio. Then we have total records. So for this one, we put 2 decimal places. And last one, it will be total unique jobs or unique job titles. So like that, we have our KPIs. Select everything one more time, and we just move them a little bit to the left so that they will be centered. Okay, next we have bar chart. So let's put it like that. It will be average salary by job title. So we have job title and we have average salary. Okay, now we start with the border. Same thing, it will be 10. Then we have the title, average salary in USD by job title. It will be in black center. All right, next we have y-axis, so the width we put it 40% and the values them 8 in black. We remove the title. For the x-axis we remove the title and the values, and we add the labels in black 8. Now for the units it will be thousands, and for the position it will be outside end. For the bars, the color it will be black. Okay, so like that we have the average salary in US dollars by job title. The next one, copy paste this one. Instead of job title, we have the country or employee residence. Okay, so we just need to change the title. Instead of job title, we'll have the country. Alright, next one, it will be column chart with average salary by experience level. So same thing, copy paste this one, put it in the center. And we change the type into clustered column chart. Instead of the residence, we have experience level. Okay, so it makes sense. We have experts, senior position, mid, and we have entry jobs. Now same thing, we copy paste this one. Maybe we need to increase it a little bit. Same thing for this one. So here it will be, instead of country, we have experience level. We have the experience level. And here we have company size. So it will be company size. So here instead of experience level, we have company size. As you can see, we have medium-sized companies have higher average comparing to the large companies and also comparing to small companies or startups. Next, we have the salary distribution. So we have the histogram. So I'm copy paste this one. Okay, so remove everything. On the x-axis we have the bins, and on the y-axis we have the total records. All right, now we need to remove the grid lines. We also need to add the value for the y-axis. Will be black 8. Remove also the grid lines. We remove the labels, and on the x-axis for the values, display units, put thousands. Okay, and for the title it will be salary distribution. As you can see, we have most of the recorded salaries. They are between, let's say, 90,000 to 120. Then we have 120 to 150, and we have from 150 to 180. So basically from 90k to 180k represents the range where we have the highest number of recorded salaries. And the last chart, it will be the bar and line chart. So basically copy paste this one. So we have here line and clustered column chart. On the x-axis we have remote ratio. So we have either 0, which means full-time job in the office. If it is 1, it means completely working from home. If it is 0.5, it means hybrid, which means sometimes in the office and sometimes at home. Now on the column charts we have the total records, and for the line chart we have the average salary. Okay, now for the labels we remove them. Same thing for the grid lines. Now for the line, we can change the color, let's say gray. And for the legend, it will be top center 8 black. So the title will be remote ratio versus the salary. You can also add the values for the y-axis. Same thing, black, and also the secondary where we remove the grid lines. Alright, so like that we have exactly the same dashboard. Now as usual, for the problem statement, the insights for the overall analysis and also the insights for each chart, I will put everything in the description in case you want to work on this dashboard as case study. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned your things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.